1833. His nickname was Little Ben because he was so short. During Benjamin Harrison's presidency, the first car was made in 1892. Benjamin Harrison was the first president to have electricity in the White House. The funny story about that is that when they had the light in the White House, they were afraid to turn it off. President Benjamin Harrison's grandfather was a president too. His name was William Harrison. Thank you for listening to my report.